Built Mike's Way, and I'm Mike. Today we got JC Custom door handles to put in, and we got a new camera today. Jamie was nice enough to help out with a new GoPro 10 because we did a recording on me porting the mid plate, and we had some technical difficulties. The camera didn't record anything, so we'll get back to that at another date. We're also cleaning the intercooler so we can pop the supercharger on the Harley truck today. This is just a quick update where we're at. We're gonna release a video on the Harley truck pretty soon. We lost a lot of data. I lost my hard drive, everything. So we're kind of starting over. I'm going to fill you guys in where I can, and hope you like it. Let's get to it. Alright, if you own a Lightning or a Harley truck, you know the deal with the door handles. They start flaking off, and they are sharp as a mother. I've cut myself on this one particular door handle multiple times. So we're gonna get rid of that today. My other one's flaking too. I think my girlfriend's already cut herself on her side, so we're getting rid of these today. And this is how you do it. We're gonna take the door handle off, or the door handle cover, or that cover out of here. It slides forward. Make sure you pull forward so you don't break this tab off. You get the upper piece here, just giving us a nice little wiggle. Should come apart pretty easy. Two little clips, not that hard. Bear with me on the camera work. I'm gonna try to get this all with one hand. You got one screw right there. Got that one. And guys, if you don't have WeatherTech floor mats, get some. These things are a lifesaver. I drive my truck daily, so it's a little bit of a work truck, but pull these out of here. They're perfectly clean underneath. Thanks, Jared. So with pulling that screw right there and this one right here, push down your lock, kind of pull straight up on the door. Oh, actually we forgot one thing. Got to get your there you go. Pull up straight up on this. Same thing. Pull away from it, and let's see if I can get these connectors with one hand. Oh, here we go. One down. Is that the? Yeah. Two down. Just switch your hands on that one. So with that out of the way, you can set that over there. And then again, it's just a pull straight up. Slides right off. You should have a wire poking out of here for my dome light, but I don't see it somewhere, so we'll have to find out where that went. And part of the speaker cover just fell off. So we're gonna set this side of the truck. Very interesting. They're supposed to be Phillips screws. So somebody didn't replace the right hardware. This door, the bottom of it has been repainted, I believe. So let's go get some different hardware and get this door off here. Alright, here we go, guys. That's the wrong one. Let's see if we can find the right one here. Probably got a metric something. Oh, second try, 6 mil. No, we'll get that back later. Those are essentially the same screws, they just have different heads. It's not really that big of a deal, but again, this light should be connected over here. Straight up. And no connector. That's weird. Alright, I'm gonna look into that in a minute. Yeah, weird. Alright guys, we're gonna get this tucked away. Next thing we gotta do is take this screw out. And you take this foam off, you definitely wanna try to save it so you can put it back on. I don't even know if you have to take it off yet, so. Believe it or not, now we have. Not doing too good here. I'm dropping screws left and right. Alright, got that thing back. The other one, I believe, fell down here, I thought. And then this will just slide back, I believe. Or is it forward? Yeah, it slides forward. Okay. And then here's what you're looking like in here. This isn't really a super big deal. It's just like a throttle on a lawnmower. Pull it out right here at this white area. Slide that out of there, and then you turn it around and pops out all on its own. So that's how easy it is. Let's go get the other side. So we're getting her done pretty quick. These handles are really nice. I hope you guys really look into getting these. And I just locked myself out of the truck because I pushed the locking mechanism down to get the door panels off. But the nice thing is I left them inside. Again, pull this white part, the cable out. This is a pretty tough one handed. And again, just twist the handle all the way around and you'll get the cable to the slot that comes right out. Success. Don't forget your keys. We'll leave. Oh, you know what? Definitely gonna need that drill. Come on, drill. First thing you're gonna need to do is these screws, these pins need to come out. So you're gonna have to drill the flared end. Pretty easy. They're really thin. They're not. It's not gonna take much. That's it. Let's try it. This is a 732. That's interesting. The pen actually spins. I'm sure you could grind it, but I don't really want to grind next to my plastic. So I'm just going to reach in here with these needle nose vice grips and grab that pen. Timber! You guys saw what I just did. It didn't really take much. I just turned the this upside down. Just gave it a couple whacks on the punch. Came out no problem. So that's what you got to get out. And he sends you nice replacements with little clips. try to remember the way that the spring is facing. It's going to save you a lot of time. So I'm going to slide this one out just like that. You can get a look at how bad the chrome is and how bad it's chipping. I mean, that stuff, you guys know that it's like some torture device that they put in here. So all I gotta do is grab the one that looks like it. Just gonna reverse that. Slide that right up in there. I'm gonna put the pin in from the same direction that the factory did. And God help you with these, that you don't lose them. But those, I'm sure you can go replace very easily. So that's our drill side. We're gonna start over here. Gonna get that lined up. We're gonna get our spring in there. Okay. Got it part of the way in. Okay, we're getting there. Just take your time. You don't want to break your housing. Okay. Oh, there's that. We got through one. Now all we gotta do is get the top here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Aha! Got her. Now all we gotta do is get the clip on without losing it, and we made it. Woohoo! Clip is on. Man, now that they're all slimy from the spring has grease on it, so I got it everywhere. Whew, what a difference. What a difference. Alright, we got one more. And man, they feel nice. They got a little more weight to them. I mean, not really, but they feel like a good quality product, which I really like about his stuff. You can tell the stuff that when it comes in, it's machined really nice. The edges are prepped nice. It's deburred nice. I think he really goes out of his way to make a nice product, and I look forward to working with him for lots of other projects. Let's get them reinstalled, shall we? Alright guys, I don't know if I can get this back on with one hand. Oh, alright. Ah, whoo, that was a little hard push. Alright, pull it all the way back so you can get to the hole to put your screw to secure it. Which I have the door handle, the wrong one. That was good practice. Okay, here we go again. Oh, sorry. Alright, got that one. Get our sled back. There's the hole. Man, that thing looks nice. It actually looks just looks like it the way it should have been to start with. Yeah, I like that a lot. Voila, all done. Hope you guys like this one. Thanks for watching. We're gonna start putting out more videos. Thanks for sticking around. Have an awesome day.